Hey guys, this is Dr. Quads and I'm sitting here at the mall and I just got done with a 10-minute flight where like 90% of the people, even when I was flying right on top of them, they didn't even look up. Listen, it's a little bit bigger than the baby tank, so like it was tougher to fly through that gap that I normally easily fly through. When I was flying the Cinewhoop 25 or the baby tank, I flew through it pretty easily. This time it was a little bit more tricky, but I did make it. I think I grazed it just a bit. But other than that, other than slight increase in weight and size, this thing is quieter than the baby tank. So it's just like the perfect sleeper drone. I mean, wait till you guys see this footage. It'll be coming to my channel soon. Just it's gonna be a 10-minute flight, flying through the mall, and you just notice like sometimes I was flying right on top of people because I had to I went through a gap and then I had to stop a little bit because there was someone in the way and I didn't want to like bother them. So I just kind of sat there and hover and waited, and they just walked right past me. They didn't even notice it at all. And there were some people that were looking for me because they saw me fly by one time, and then they were looking for me, and then like I'm flying right next to them, and then they turn around, they're like, oh, there he is. You can't hear this drone. I mean, the mall's pretty noisy. Like there's background music and you know, there's the sound of like ambient noise and stuff, and over that, you basically can't hear my drone unless I shit you not, it's literally right here. Okay, I was in angle mode, We're taking off, and when I'm just hovering, when you find that hover, it's so quiet, guys. It's so quiet. So I'm gonna fly straight towards you, and you're gonna see when you can actually hear me, okay? You couldn't hear me at all. Like, I could barely hear the drone. I start to hear the drone a little bit. Okay, now I hear the drone. Like when you're right on top of it, right? When you're right on top of it, you can hear the drone, but that's it. A cinewhoop is for filming people's lives, day-to-day life, things that involve people. But if people are like negative towards the drone, you'll see it in the footage. You know, when you're flying by, like people wave at my drone. They're like, oh, look at that. Or they give like a reaction, but it's never like, what's that? Whoa. You see it in their faces. They see the negativity. And that just kills footage for me, man, because like, I don't want to see a bunch of people be upset about it. I don't want to be a public nuisance, you know? I love when kids are like, whoa, look at that, Feiji, Feiji. Feiji means playing in Chinese and the wave and stuff, and oh man, I'm so proud of this drone, guys. I mean, I can't take all the credit, because honestly, I feel like a lot of, you know, of what this drone is, I just stumbled upon. It just kind of all came together. Oh, but yeah, here I am flying in the mall. Awesome, awesome, awesome.